Goal. See him there? D-Low. D-Low. Don't know how I feel about that one. Seriously don't know. This should have been a win for Jamaica. This should have been a decent 2-0 victory. 2-1 victory, actually. But no, it ended 1-1. So this is what did we just see. Coach, how's Gibbs now, whatever you want him? I like the idea. I get what you're trying to do. And I can see you actually implementing that kind of stuff within the team. So I'm not going to fight you on that. I like the team that you picked today. That was a wonderful team. This team could definitely win the Gold Cup without a shadow of a doubt. It could definitely win the Gold Cup. You could see the old Jamaica coming in towards the end of the game. When Nicholson come on, when Burke come on, when Johnson come on, then you could see the old Jamaica creeping into the team all over again. When the ballers keep going up and landing. No, don't get me wrong. They didn't play intricate football in the first half or the second half for the first team that played. They didn't play passes within the midfield, and that's mostly because, yes, the USA had most of the ball. USA juggled the ball at the back of them first half and into the second half as well. When USA started pushing, I would prefer to see Jamaica push back, win the ball high, make a couple passes in the midfield, try to retain the ball more. We didn't see that from Jamaica. Now, you have a lot of time to get that ready for the World Cup. So I'm going to give you that, Mr. Hallgrimson. But we need to do better. What did we just see? Leon Bailey. What the fuck was that, fam? What the actual fuck was that? The penalty was shit. Complete and utter shit. You kick the ball straight to the man. Islander just moved him left slightly. And then the rebound that you got. The rebound that you got. My grandmother in her grave could have saved that. What the was that, fam? What the living fuck was that? I don't know. I do not know. But you need to do better. You need to do better. In this tournament, you need to do better. And the next one, you need to do better. You need to do better, Leon Bailey. You need to do better. You are the number one star coming out of Jamaica. No, so I didn't say the number one star in our team because we have Damari Gray, we have Antonio, we have a whole lot of ballers in the team now. It's not just Leon Bailey anymore, but the number one baller coming out of Jamaica, playing in the Premier League for Aston Villa. You should be doing better. You should be doing better. What did we just see? Damian Lowe. Good fucking goal. Damian Lowe. Good fucking goal. What a header. Perfect header. You defended well as well. Just Damian Lowe. That's it. That's just it. Damian fucking Lowe. Very good game. That's all it is to it. Game, set, and match. Very fucking good game. What did we just see? Damari Gray. There's so much more to be had from this guy. The assist for Damian Lowe, perfect. But I want to see, there's so much more to be had from him. The football that he's going to be playing for Jamaica is going to be ecstatically good. I can't wait to see him further in this tournament. Hopefully we can play 6 games in this tournament. Hopefully we can see him play 6 games in this tournament. Hopefully we can see him play 6 games in this damn tournament because he is going to be freaking good in this tournament. Remember me tell you that. Big up yourself, Damari Gray. What did we just see? Mari fucking Appa. You know, you're not supposed to be in this team. Yeah, I know, I get it. We have no other option because Pinnock is away with his wife having issues. He should be back soon. I hope so. He'll be back in the next game. But my God, Mariappa. My fucking God. I remember a time when Damian Lowe had the opportunity to pass the ball at the middle of the field to Mariappa. Mariappa, holy heap of space. You know what Damian Lillard did? Chop the keeper, the defender, and play the ball wide towards the other player because he cannot trust Mariappa. Mariappa, you cannot be trusted. We can't trust you with the ball. Because you win the ball, you give it away. You win the ball, you give it away. What you do, Mariappa? What's your point? You know, come back in our team. I put the young man, put something back in our team. Listen, I don't care. Bring Deshaun back in our team. Take out Pinot because my fucking word, fam. My word. Amari Bell got injured today. Amari Bell got injured. Didn't get contact, nothing. He just dropped injured. So I don't know if I'm tired, I'm hamstring, but him get fucked. And Taxi, a player our left back now. Taxi with his stomach look like Aka. You remember Aka? You guys remember Aka? But Theodore Whitmore bringing out blood clot midfield a couple years ago. I suck on the man looking at left back. I said yesterday, brother. Oh my God, the man have a stomach. Oh, Taxi, you have to do better. Taxi, you have a blood clot do better. Ah boy. Thank you very much, people. Thank you for watching. This has been the Port Official. You have just seen what we just saw. Make sure you bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.